Why do you laugh? BYD is trying to compete. Why do you laugh?
Have you seen their car?
There was a time when Elon Musk laughed at BYD's cars, dismissing them as a joke. But now no one is laughing. BYD has rapidly emerged as a dominant force in the EV industry, and its latest battery breakthroughs are making even Tesla take notice. While Tesla has long been known for pushing the boundaries of battery technology, BYD is rewriting the rules with innovations that challenge the very foundation of Tesla's approach. In a recent teardown study, German battery engineers at Aachen University took apart both Tesla's 4680 cylindrical cell and BYD's Blade prismatic cell to uncover their secrets. The findings? A fascinating battle of design philosophies, material choices, and performance trade-offs. What makes Tesla's high-energy density battery so powerful, and why does BYD's safer, longer-lasting alternative threaten to disrupt the market? The results could reshape the EV industry as we know it. Published in Cell Reports Physical Science, this study provides a detailed comparison of the Tesla 4680 cylindrical cell and the BYD Blade prismatic cell, examining their mechanical structure, manufacturing processes, electrical performance, and material composition. By analyzing these two distinct battery formats, the study highlights the trade-offs between energy density, thermal performance, and manufacturing complexity, offering valuable insights into the evolving landscape of lithium-ion battery technology for electric vehicles. The Tesla 4680 is a cylindrical cell with a 46 mm diameter and an 80 mm height, while the BYD Blade is a prismatic cell with significantly larger dimensions, 965 mm in length, 90 mm in height, and just 14 mm thick. This difference in form factor influences how each battery is integrated into an electric vehicle. Cylindrical cells like Tesla's are known for their mechanical stability and ease of manufacturing, while prismatic cells like BYD's Blade optimize space utilization, allowing for a more compact and efficient battery pack layout. Internally, the electrode design of each battery further highlights their differences. The Tesla 4680 cell employs a jelly roll configuration, where the anode, cathode, and separator are rolled together into a cylindrical shape. Unlike traditional cylindrical cells, the 4680 adopts a tabless design, which improves current flow by spreading electrical connections across the electrode rather than through a single tab. This design reduces internal resistance and enhances power output. In contrast, the BYD Blade cell features a Z-folded electrode stack. This structure consists of 38 double-coated cathode sheets and 39 double-coated anode sheets, separated by 79 layers of a folded separator. The Z-folding method improves structural rigidity and allows for better thermal management, as heat is more evenly distributed across the larger surface area. The chemistry of each battery plays a crucial role in their performance and application. The Tesla 4680 uses NMC811 cathode material, which consists of high-nickel content alongside manganese and cobalt. This chemistry provides a high energy density, meaning Tesla's battery can store more energy per kilogram, making it ideal for long-range electric vehicles. However, NMC811 is also more expensive to produce and is more susceptible to thermal runaway, requiring advanced cooling mechanisms. On the other hand, BYD's Blade battery utilizes lithium iron phosphate chemistry, which, while offering lower energy density, excels in safety, longevity, and cost efficiency. Lithium iron phosphate batteries are known for their stability, making them less prone to overheating and thermal runaway, which reduces the need for complex cooling systems. This makes the Blade battery particularly attractive for mass-market and affordable electric vehicles where cost and safety are prioritized over maximizing energy storage. The study found that while the electrode production for both the Tesla 4680 and BYD Blade cells follows a similar process, their assembly methods differ significantly. Tesla's 4680 cell relies on a jelly roll winding process, where electrode layers are rolled together and then sealed through an edge-bending process. BYD's Blade battery, on the other hand, uses a Z-folding technique, stacking electrodes in layers before welding them together. This method requires more assembly steps, but results in higher structural integrity. For electrode connections, Tesla uses laser welding exclusively, while BYD employs a combination of laser and ultrasonic welding to ensure a more reliable contact between electrode layers. Although the Blade cell requires additional steps in manufacturing, Its significantly higher energy content per unit means fewer individual cells need to be assembled to reach the same total energy output, making large-scale production more efficient despite the complexity. Manufacturing costs also reflect the different choices in chemistry and materials. Tesla's 4680 cell, with its NMC 811 cathode, is inherently more expensive due to the high cost of nickel and cobalt. Additionally, the use of polyacrylic acid and polyethylene oxide as anode binders further contributes to the material costs. In contrast, BYD's Blade battery, using lithium iron phosphate, benefits from lower raw material costs and improved supply chain stability. Its anode binders, consisting of carboxymethyl cellulose and styrene butadiene rubber, are more cost-effective compared to Tesla's formulation. As a result, BYD's approach is not only more affordable but also more sustainable, given LFP's abundance and lack of reliance on scarce metals. The study found that Tesla's 4680 cell achieves better energy density, with 241.01 watt-hour per kilogram, compared to BYD's Blade battery, which delivers 160 watt-hour per kilogram respectively. The higher nickel content in Tesla's cathode allows it to store more energy per unit mass, making it ideal for applications where maximizing range is a priority. However, this comes at the cost of increased thermal output. The Tesla 4680 generates 2.3 times more heat per volume than the BYD Blade cell under the same 1C load, which places greater demands on thermal management systems. This means that while the 4680's high energy density is advantageous, it necessitates more advanced cooling solutions to prevent overheating. In contrast, BYD's Blade battery, with its LFP chemistry, exhibits superior thermal stability, generating less heat and requiring less intensive cooling, making it more suited for applications where safety and longevity are paramount. The rivalry between Tesla and BYD has never been more intense, and recent developments have only widened the gap between the two EV giants. BYD, which started as a battery manufacturer before entering the car market in 2003, the same year Tesla was founded, has just unveiled a game-changing battery that can add 400 kilometers of range in just 5 minutes. This breakthrough, set to debut in the Han L Saloon and Tang L SUV, has sent shockwaves through the industry, further solidifying BYD's lead in innovation. Meanwhile, Tesla is facing turbulent times, with its stock plummeting over 50% since December and 9 straight weeks of decline. BYD's rise has played a significant role in this, as it officially dethroned Tesla as the world's top EV maker last year. The latest blow came when news of BYD's ultra-fast charging technology sent Tesla shares tumbling another 10%, a sign that investors are growing impatient with Musk's long timelines and unfulfilled promises. Compounding Tesla's troubles is a growing backlash against Musk himself, with his controversial political stances fueling boycotts and even vandalism at Tesla showrooms across the US and Europe. Once dominant in the global EV market, Tesla is now struggling with free-falling sales, while BYD continues to surge ahead, delivering real-world advancements at an unprecedented pace.